if you want to uninstall or permanently remove Crunchyroll app from your smartphone, then in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can use to permanently delete your app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first method is to go to your Crunchyroll app and just long press on it. Then you should see we have this option to uninstall. By choosing this option, your app will completely be wiped out from your smartphone, and that is it. The second method is to go to Google Play Store. If you are on Android like me, search for the name Crunchyroll and then tap on the app to open, and here you will see we have this additional option to uninstall. By tapping on uninstall and confirming it, this will remove the app together with its files from your smartphone. So if I go back to my apps and now open them, you can see Crunchyroll app is no longer present. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Crunchyroll app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.